So it's about 35 degrees out tonight. I'm just working on my owl calls. And I turn my head and I see a southern flying squirrel shoot by, land, jump on the tree, right over those two deer. Here it is in slow-mo. Yeah, they can go 20 to 30 feet gliding, sometimes up to 200 feet. A white-tailed deer doe, hanging out in the brush, moving her ears, listening for predators, not paying me any attention. And a couple young raccoons. I'd say about 8 to 10 months old. Finally on their own. This guy's hanging upside down almost. Cute little guys.